Hey there! After downloading your eSIM, please go into your settings. Then go to Mobile, or Cellular, or Mobile Data. The name depends of the language, or the user region, but the menu is down to Bluetooth section. Now select your originated line, the one from your country, and go in. Check that the roaming is set to off, to avoid extra charges. Then go back to the mobile menu. At the bottom of the SIM list, you will find the eSIM name. Remember the name of this line. In this example, the eSIM line is called as secondary. Now go inside the eSIM. In your eSIM line, please set the roaming feature to on. Then go back to the previous mobile menu. As soon as you are in your destination country, go into the menu Mobile Data. At the top of the screen, change the line to the eSIM line. In this example, the eSIM name to select is secondary. Congratulations! You can use the internet abroad with your eSIM.